didn't know it was gonna be a style show this morning. He woke me up, he was cracking up.
That's funny.
He was dropping off concrete.
Oh, yeah? All right, how you feeling?
I'm doing better. My
Okay.
neck, I just wish my neck would stop hurting into my shoulders.
Gotcha. All right, lean your head right over here. A little more.
Oh, it didn't go.
Oh, we'll get there. Look in that corner. There we go.
There it went.
Good. And one more. I'm going to go a little higher. Good. Push your head down into my hand. There it goes.
There it went.
All right.
Yeah, it's not
Let me get
rattling
some
so
paper
much in
for
my
you.
brain anymore.
Okay. No, you're fine. Put it on my face.
Okay. Nope, I got it on the table right there. We go.
Breathe in. And out. There we go. Good.
Oh yeah.
Good. How's the lower back feeling?
It's doing better.
Uh-huh.
When you pressed in here, that was a little achy.
Okay. So lay on your left side. We'll stretch this side out this way. No, other left.
My other left?
Yep.
I know you said that.